Hello everyone, I am Annurag Srivastava and I welcome you all for today's knowledge sharing session. In this session, I will explain you the different elements of VDA 6.3 process audit and its applicability throughout the product realization cycle. VDA 6.3 is a very effective process auditing tool. It is very important to study this tool in a proper structured way. And this is the basic mistake some of the auditors do in rushing to the checklist without understanding the intent of the questionnaire in totality, which results in ineffective audit and complicating the whole process and ending up nowhere. This is where I'm going to help you to build your knowledge from basic level to expertise, and for that you need to subscribe to my channel and follow my tutorials on the subject. So if you have not done, please do it now. So right then, without any further delay, let's dive in. Let's see the structure of VDA 6.3 process audit. VDA 6.3 structure is divided into several process elements which are called P2, P3, P4, P5, P6 and P7. P2 stands for project management and it has 7 questions. P3 stands for planning the product and process development. It has 5 questions. P4 stands for implementing of the product and process development and it has 8 questions. P5 talks about supply management and it has 7 questions. P6 is the lengthiest of them all and it is process analysis production and it has 26 questions. P7 is customer care, customer satisfaction, service and it has 5 questions. There is one more element P1 which is called as potential analysis. There is no separate questionnaire for P1. The questions are pre-identified in the various elements from P2 to P7, which forms the questionnaire for the potential analysis. In all, there are 36 questions in the potential analysis. We have seen the structure of VDA 6.3 elements. Now let's see how it relates to the product realization cycle. This is a typical product realization cycle, talking about various phases of the development. If you see VDA 6.3, various elements are placed according to their applicability in the product realization cycle. VDA 6.3 process audit can be used throughout the entire product life cycle. In the early phase of product development process from P2 to P4, it helps you to evaluate the planning activities after the contract has been awarded. The process element P4 can be scheduled later to analyze and evaluate the implementation of planning activities as per element P3. This breakdown of process elements helps you to evaluate both the planning and evaluation. You can evaluate, analyze, and know the maturity level of the process and the associated risk before SOP with the help of this tool, which helps you to do the process optimization. Element P5 to P7 are ideally applied at start of production according to the maturity level ML6 from VDA MLA. And in the series production, P5 to P7 can be used for regular monitoring of the series process or to support the event-based process analysis. So this is how the various elements of VDA 6.3 correlates to the product realization cycle. I am continuing with the series on VDA 6.3, so stay with me and subscribe to my channel. Hit like if you find it useful. I will extend this journey in my next module on VDA 6.3 Process Audit Results Interpretation. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. See ya.